Connect a Camlock fitting to a lay-flat hose. Here's what you need: lay-flat hose, Camlock coupling, and 2 hose clamps. I started it off by putting the hose clamps on the hose. Then I took the E200 Camlock fitting and put it inside the hose. Took a little bit, you may have to twist it some, but make sure it goes all the way in. Then, you will loosen up the hose clamp and slide it up over the hose towards the Camlock fitting. Now tighten down the hose clamps. You'll want to make sure you use the screwdriver here to make sure you have a tight connection. And we're done. Okay, if you want to know more about hoses and fittings, please subscribe to my channel. See you next time.